I think everybody dreams of flying. We all look up at the sky and wonder what it would be like to be that free. The days of wondering, they're over.
We are football and soccer. We are 505 and 575. We are Lobos and Aggies. We are red and green. We are Purque and Santa. We are I-40 and I-25. We are mijos, mijas, sons and daughters. We are 1st, 5th, and 14th generations. We are attackers and defenders. We are New Mexico. We are pro soccer. We are united.